I believe in wealth building through real diversification. Unfortunately, nearly all the licensed financial planners I know want you to be 100% in the stock market, either through mutual funds or individual shares of a company. This isn't real diversification because no matter how you look at it, you're 100% in one asset class. Real diversification should look like this. You should own private businesses, publicly listed companies, stocks, rental real estate, farmland, specialized dividend-paying savings accounts, precious metals, commodities, collectibles like guns, fine art, rare items, and private lending. Of this list, farmland is one of the safest assets in the world. Land that produces something 7 billion humans consume. Like residential real estate, it is easy to understand how you make money. Of course, with farmland, the only bad tenants are weeds and maybe a few ground squirrels. There are a few ways to invest in farmland that are pretty direct. 1, you can become a physical farmer. 2, invest in the financial markets through ETFs or agriculture businesses. 3, own farmland that is leased out or ran by a professional farmer. Option 1 is not really an option for most of us. Last year I tried to start a garden and it didn't turn out so good. Growing crops is not easy, and it certainly isn't something you just pick up overnight by reading a book or watching a YouTube video on farming. Option 2, overall these have been pretty bad investments. I like the small microcap names, but the larger companies remind me of the large cap miners. Just horrible investments over the long term. Option 3, for me this is really the only option, owning land. Especially cash flowing land that has historically been a way to great riches. I want to be on title, or at least be part of a business partnership that owns the land. Finding an opportunity like this wasn't easy though. I spent months speaking with different companies who specialize in these type of transactions. The main deal killer was that almost all of these companies that help you buy farmland completely take over the management of your money, locking it into a 5-year venture that offers 0 cash flow. And to add to it, most of these groups wanted a minimum of $1 million. Myself and the staff at FutureMoneyTrends.com have relentlessly searched for real opportunities for our members and ourselves to own farmland. We set out a strict criteria. Individual investors had to own the land. That means we wanted our name on title. We wanted immediate cash flow. We wanted a solid property management company that we could trust to partner with, a crop that was easy to understand, and a legacy investment, something that we could own that would last forever, something that we could pass on to our children and our children's children. I believe the opportunity has arrived, and I have all the details for you by simply emailing me at daniel@futuremoneytrends.com. I've met with these people, I've seen the projects, and I'm even going to tour them very soon, along with my staff. And basically, this is the deal. We have contracted with them to set out a specific number of parcels that will be for FutureMoneyTrends.com members. We will be getting it cheaper than everyone else who buys in because we are buying as a group. However, I do not want to make a video with their information or even an email with it because I want this to be for serious investors only. That way in the future, if this works, I can approach them again to purchase property as a large group, saving myself a lot of money, saving you a lot of money, and increasing our return dramatically since we'll be purchasing these cash flowing properties at a group rate. Again, email me at daniel@futuremoneytrends.com if you are interested. The minimum investment, it looks like, will be about 10 grand, but I still need to see how many people are interested. And again, this would be literally owning cash flowing farmland with your specific name on title, not an LLC, not us as a group. You, the individual, will own the land. Again, Daniel@futuremoneytrends.com. You have a great day.